Hey everybody, and welcome back to a new video. It's Mike here with Mike's Drones and More. As you can tell, my voice is getting a little bit better as the week goes on here. So today, guys, I'm going to be showing you my very first DroneDrop box. So if you guys don't know what DroneDrop is, it's a monthly subscription box that you order, and they ship it out to you once a month, and they put all kinds of cool drone stuff in here. Anything from frames to batteries to motors to a little bit of everything. So this is my very first box. I wanted to try it out for a few months and see what it was all about. So this is the January 2018 box. So looking excited now. I already did actually open it up, so I already know what's in it. I got a little excited last night when it came in the mail, so I apologize for that. But we'll go ahead and go over everything that's in here, and I'm going to pan the camera down and be right back. Alright guys, so here it is. This is the DroneDrop Box. Normally you can order these for $50 a piece, or if you do their subscription thing, I think it cuts the price down to $40, and they send you this thing. Now I believe what they say in every box should be roughly about $80 worth of things, so that's kind of cool. So it comes in just a standard box, which is kind of cool. So we'll go ahead and open it up. Like I said, I already opened it up last night, so I know what's in it, but it'll be kind of a surprise for you guys. So here you go. So right off the top, they send you a pack of stickers. These are custom stickers, all kinds of cool ones. So my wife thought of something cool last night. She said, why don't you take these eyeball stickers and put them on your goggles, to have them as like eyeballs for your goggles. So what do you guys think about that? Is that a cool idea or what? So these are really cool. You can put them on your box or whatever you want. Alright, so the next thing in here is a pair of sunglasses by Strix. So I guess they're like polarized and made in China apparently. So, but yeah, these are kind of cool. I can't wear sunglasses because I wear prescription glasses. So what I'm going to do for you guys is the first 20 comments that are on the video for this one, I will pick a random winner and I'll send these out to you guys. So it'll be kind of something cool to do. Alright, so next in the box, this is a Team Black Sheep VTX. Now if you guys know Team Black Sheep or TBS, they make really, really awesome freaking drone equipment. So this is the TBS Unified Pro 5G8 version 3. So this thing is freaking phenomenal. So I can either use this on an existing or a new build. I'm not sure what I'm going to use, but I'm definitely, this will come in handy. I'm going to use this for sure. Okay, so next is another Team Black Sheep. So this is the right-hand circulation polarized, whatever, I can't talk today, guys, antenna. So here's what it looks like, which is pretty cool. And these antennas, normally they sell them for, I think it's like $40 for a pair of them. So right there, that's $20. I looked on the website and I think this thing is like $40 to $50. So that's kind of cool right there. So next, looks like they sent me a couple of, actually 2 sets of Cyclone, so they're Dalprop Cyclone 5046s. So these are freaking cool because you always need extra propellers for your drones, and I've actually really been looking at getting some of these Cyclones to test them out. So, and they're really nice and durable. Yeah, so I can't wait to test these out on my drone. So yeah, definitely. Alright, next they sent me some race wire. So what race wire is this goes in between the motor and usually the ESC. So it basically sits down on the carbon fiber, and then what you do is you hook up your wires down here and then down here, and this basically makes a better connection so the carbon fiber doesn't interfere or cuts down on basically noise from the motors and stuff like that, as far as I know. So that's really cool, so I like that. I'll definitely use that on my next build. Next, they give you some 3D printed feet. So how these work, guys, is these actually go right here on the bottom, like that. And then so they're kind of instead of using these pads, they're like these. So they kind of basically extra protection for your motors, which is kind of cool. I'm not too fond of the colors, so but you know what? I'll find something to use for them. And then looks like last but not least, they sent us a couple of really nice battery straps. These are by Strix, and they're made of really nice rubber material, which is pretty nice. And I've been actually needing some battery straps, so yeah. And these are actually pretty freaking nice. I like these. So I'm definitely going to be using all these. So I would say sunglasses probably like $5. These 3D printed feet, I don't know, maybe $5–10. These props, they run about $3 to $4 on the website. So, you know, altogether you got close to almost $60–70 worth of product in here. And then in every single one of these too, they list off exactly what they sent. So they sent the Team Black Sheep Unify V3, TBS Triumph. Now actually, I did try out the antenna last night on my goggles, because I was racing at the Tiny Whoop, if you guys tuned in last night for that. And I got to tell you, this thing is freaking phenomenal. I mean, I was using just a standard round polarized like this, and I put this one on. Now this gives me pretty good you know, clarity in the goggles. I mean, pretty good video. It's not bad, but this is even better. So I definitely like this. I'm gonna probably order some more of these actually now. So that's kind of cool. So it's nice that they send you different stuff, so that way you can kind of test it out and see what you like. You know, so you don't have to order stuff ahead of time. The other thing I'm gonna order for my goggles is I'm gonna order a patch antenna, so that way I've got a circularized, and then I've also got a patch on the other side. I've been using the one off of my Fury Bay goggles, but I want something a little bit better. So yeah, but anyway, yeah. So guys, this is the January 2018 DroneDrop Box. Again, you can check them out. Just go to if you Google DroneDropBox.com or just DroneDrop, they'll be like one of the first things, and you can check them out. They send the boxes out on the between the 15th and the 20th of every month. So and they sent mine out on the 19th, and I got it pretty quick here, so which is pretty cool. So it's like Christmas every single month, which is really awesome. I'm really happy about that and jazzed. So yeah, so yeah, this is very cool. I'm going to be coming up with some new videos next week. I've got a new Tiny Whoop that I built, so I'll go over that with you guys next week. And I've ordered some new props and stuff like that for my drones, so we'll go over those next week. And yeah, so I think that's about all I've got for right now. So guys, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up for me. I would appreciate that. If you guys like my channel, if you like the videos, go ahead and, if you wouldn't mind, hitting the subscribe button for me. That really does help out the channel. And you're more than welcome to hit the bell. The bell just lets you know when we've got new videos. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, every other Sunday, we have a live Q&A for everybody. And then in between those Sundays, we have a live Q&A for the patrons only. So if you can help support the channel out, check out my Patreon channel. I've got 2 patrons right now. I have Rob Ruth and Stephen Taylor. So thank you very much to my patrons. This is your weekly shout out, guys. So for $1 a month, you get a shout out in each one of my videos each week. For $5, you get access to that live Q&A, which is cool. So it's a private for just those guys. I will post it afterwards, but only the patrons will have access to ask me questions on the spot right then and there. And I've got some other rewards too on my Patreon, so please check it out. I would very much appreciate it. Every little bit helps for me to be able to order things like this and parts and new drones. That way I can do reviews for you guys for stuff that you want to see reviewed. So guys, thanks for hanging out with me as always. In the meantime, while you're waiting for my next video, let's make sure you keep our drones up in the air, flying high, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for hanging out. Have a great day.